Alright, here's what the sink has been doing. Everything seems tight. I'm guessing there's a gasket in there that's blown somehow. So we're going to dig into that and see what we can find. Alright, first we're going to turn off the water. There we go. I'm guessing that splitting that right there is what done it. Okay, after I clean this up a bit, it might not be that split. That might be supposed to be there. It might be one of these two rubber washers. Clean this up with some Stillwater. Pick off these old O-rings carefully. And clean up their grooves with some steel wool. Put on the new O-rings. Clean this out. Make sure there's no residue in there, and then set that on. We got to turn the water back on. And while we're down here, pet the dogs. All good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.